Hi, in this short video we'll be explaining the Lamello Bisco connector. This particular one is a P14, they do also come in P10. We quite often get asked ways of using less connectors or possibly saving a little bit of money when doing long runs of them. A connector should be used every sort of 250 to 300 mil. So if you're doing something long, potentially you're using quite a few fittings. Two uses for the Bisco. One, you can pop them in to your grooves that you've cut and do a dry assembly, and they don't grip too much. They grip enough to hold the material, but it will easily come apart. It's not going to take the force like it takes to separate a tenso. The other great reason for them is if you are doing a run of many connectors, you could use your tenso or Clamex at the end and then have a Bisco next to it, and your next one could then be a tenso or Clamex again. These are much lower cost than the tenso and the Clamex connectors, so by putting one of them every other connector or every so often, you will save some money in the long run. If we use that there, that will simply keep it aligned. We can then pop in the tenso connectors in this instance. You'd put your beaded glue across, clip it together, level that off, and the tensos are pulling it in tight and the Bisco's just keeping it aligned perfectly there, meaning you don't have to use an extra tenso or Clamex should you choose. I hope this video has been helpful in the uses of the Bisco alongside the other connectors. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to be up to date with our latest videos.